Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking hardware and basic settings. You need to eliminate simple faults first. You should power cycle modem then router, wait 60 seconds between each restart, because cached errors often clear. Once done, confirm the Ethernet cable is seated and try a different port or cable to rule out a bad wire. Make sure the Vista network icon shows status. Write down any error message, since that guides the next targeted steps. Next, you tackle software configuration and drivers. This is where many problems hide. Open Network and Sharing Center and run Diagnose and Repair to capture an immediate fix. If that fails, go to Device Manager to update or reinstall the network adapter driver, because corrupted drivers stop traffic. Once done, inspect TCP/IP IP4 properties. Set to obtain IP and DNS automatically unless you require a static address. This avoids conflicts that produce limited connectivity. Finish by clearing and rebuilding Windows network stacks. Open an elevated command prompt and run netint IP reset, then ipconfig/release and ipconfig/renew, followed by ipconfig/flushtons to remove stale records. This restores core networking. If that does not restore service, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to test, because security suites can block traffic. One key troubleshooting tip: test another device or boot a live Linux USB to determine.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.